students, welcome you all in Maximus, a digital learning platform to provide you quality education. Here me and my team prepare a quality content for you to empower you with the best of the best education. It will not only clear all your concepts but also make you learn fast. So are you in class 10th and going to appear in 2021 board examinations, and also do you have fear of mathematics? So Maximus is the right place for you to sharpen your skills in mathematics. We have the complete strategy for next 120 days to master you in mathematics for next 120 days, right? So the complete strategy is as follows for class 10. So we have the complete strategy for class 10 maths, right? The first chapter is the real number. The real number has a very unique role in mathematics. Is the basic system of the number system. Basic part of the number system. So in class 10, you are in board examination. You are going to get 6 to 8 marks from real number system, and we are going to master real number system in 6 lectures, right? The second thing is algebra. Algebra has a huge scope in mathematics. We can't think mathematics without algebra, right? So in algebra, the first chapter is polynomials. Polynomials you already studied in class 9th, right? But in class 10th board examination, you are going to get 2 to 4 marks, and we are going to master polynomials in 3 lectures, and we are going to get so many examples, so many questions, right? And we will be mastered of polynomials in 3 lectures, right? After this, we have the pair of linear equations in 2 variables. See, this chapter for not only class 10th board examinations, if you are going to get maths as a career, so throughout your life this is going to help you. And even though if you are not opting for mathematics as after class 11th, class 12th, and not going to opt mathematics as a career, but after when you are going to appear for any job kind of examinations, career related examination after 5 year, 10 year down the line, so this chapter is going to help you there also, right? So today we are going to clear all the concept of pair of linear equations in 2 variables, and we will clear this entire concept in 6 lectures. And for board examination, you are going to get almost 4 to 6 marks questions, right? After this, we have the quadratic equations. See, if you are aspiring for engineering entrance examination after your plus 2 examinations, after your plus 2 board, so this chapter is going to help there also, right? So this quadratic equation, no doubt, is the basic concept in class 10. So we will clear in class 10 only. We are going to clear all the concept, and it is going to take almost 5 lectures, right? And you are going to get almost 4 to 6 marks in class 10 board examination, correct? And after this, we have the arithmetic progression. See, arithmetic progression is a part of sequence and series, right? And sequence and series is a very huge role in algebra. And whenever you are going to get, if you are going to get mathematics in class 11, class 12, and going to appear in any kind of engineering entrance examination or JEE also, so this arithmetic, this progression, sequence and series is going to help you a lot. So this is the first chapter of sequence and series, and we are going to be mastered of this arithmetic progression in class 10 only, right? So in 6 lectures we are going to get we will be mastered of arithmetic progression, and you are surely going to get 4 to 6 marks in questions in board examination, right? After arithmetic progression, algebra is almost done, almost going to cover almost algebra is going to cover almost 20 marks, 20 to 24 marks questions in board examination. Thereafter, we are going to enter coordinate geometry. See, the coordinate geometry in class 10 is very basic, right? So it is not going to take more than 4 lectures, right? And sure, it's marks on 3 marks questions, right? You can say it's we are going to get 3 marks questions. So almost 4 to 6 marks questions you are going to get in board examination. Surely you are going to attempt do without any kind of hesitations, right? Thereafter, we are going to enter into geometry. So geometry is again like algebra is going to cover almost 20 to 24 marks questions. So geometry is also going to cover almost 15 to 20 marks questions in board examination. So the triangle is the first chapter, and you have already studied triangles in class 9. So the next version of triangles, we are going to clear all the concept of triangles in 6 lectures, and surely you are going to get almost 4 to 6 mark questions in board examinations, right? After triangle, circle. Circle again, it's a very important, and throughout mathematics career, you are going to get questions related to circles. So the concept is in class 10th only. So we are going to get clear all the concept of circles in class 10, 5 lectures, and in board examination you are going to get almost 4 to 6 mark question, right? After circles, you have the constructions in geometry. So in 2 lectures we are going to clear all the concept of constructions. Thereafter we are going to enter into trigonometry. See, like algebra, like geometry, this trigonometry is also is very, very, very important concept for 10th perspective. And trigonometry is not only important for 10th perspective, it's a balancer of mathematics. If you say me, if you compare maths, if you are going to balance the mathematics, so this trigonometry is going to take part as a balancer, right? Without trigonometry, there is no mathematics. You cannot balance the mathematics both the side, right? So this is very important throughout life. Without trigonometry you can't actually think about the mathematics, right? So we are going to clear all the concept of trigonometry in 5, basically introduction of trigonometry in 5 lectures, and from this unit you are going to get almost 2 to 4 marks questions. Thereafter, the second thing is of trigonometric identity. There's so many few equations of trigonometry in this unit, and we will be mastered of this thing in almost 5 lectures, and from this chapter you are going to get almost 4 to 5 mark questions, right? After trigonometric identities, we have the application of trigonometry as a height and distance. So height and distance we are going to cover in 3 lectures, and almost 4 to 6 confirm marks we are going to get in board exams, right? So after trigonometry, we have almost covered almost syllabus, and the mensuration, the new another part of fourth important part of mathematics class 10th syllabus perspective. So the area related to circles. So area related to circles, so we are going to cover entire concept by 6 lectures, and almost 4 to 6 marks questions you are going to get, right? The second part of the mensuration is surface area and volume. See here, in surface area and volume, basically you are going to deal with shapes and volumes. So understanding of shapes is very, very important. So we are going to clear all the concept, because in calculus in class 11, class 12, this is again going to come, right? So that concept we are going to clear here only. So entire surface area and volume related. So it will take almost 6 lectures, and in board examination you are going to get almost 4 to 6 marks questions, right? Thereafter probability, it's a very small chapter, but you are going to get almost 4 to 6 mark questions, and we are going to cover this in 6 lectures, right? Thereafter statistics. So this is again a very small chapter, but the concept is very important. With the concept we are going to deal with this statistics, right? So almost 4 to 6 mark question every year board examination we are getting, okay? So we are going to close this statistics in 5 lectures, correct? So after this, so we have the complete strategy for class 10 mathematics. So if you like this video, so if you like this entire strategy, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel, so that you are going to get entire notifications of classes from 1st of September onwards, right? So stay tuned with the channel, subscribe our channel, and you are going to be mastered, and me and my team will ensure you to get 100 out of 100 in next board examination. Thank you very much. please like, share and subscribe.